In sports, we're out the blocks with athletics. Elaine Thompson-Herah has been named to the Jamaica national team for the first time in 4 years. The double Olympic sprint champion is among 32-member squad selected for the 8th World Relays in Botswana, set for May 2 to 3. Thompson-Herah last represented Jamaica at the 2022 Commonwealth Games in Birmingham and the World Championships in Eugene the same year. The women's 4x100 meters squad also includes Tia and Tina Clayton, Briana Williams, Shericka Jackson, and Janelle Smith, while World Championship medalist Rochelle Clayton returns from injury for the 4x400 meters lineup. On the men's side, the 17-member squad is led by World and Olympic 100 meters silver medalist Kishane Thompson, alongside Oblique Seville, Akeem Blake, Kadrian Goldson, and Rashid Foster in the sprint relay pool. Former world champion Antonio Watson also features in the 4x400 meters group with Rashawn Clark, Javon Powell, and Taj Marks White. Jamaica will contest all relay events at the championships, with the team set to depart on April 27 and return on May 4.